even do. He didn't even kick nobody.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those. That man trying to fight swung on the tree.
First of all.
It's your boy Baba.
The kid in the building.
Okay. JJ.
Jermaine.
We ain't talking about Janet Jackson
we
either.
the sweetest.
All right. With Pia Zadora.
Okay.
When the rain begins to fall. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications also you get notified every time we drop a video. How many likes?
150 likes.
150 likes. We'll do more Jermaine. Also put in the comments what the Jermaine you guys want us to react to.
Let's go Jermaine, man. I like seeing their little solo careers pop off too, so.
Let's get it.
Riding dirty in here.
I have a good feeling about this.
His beats always a little, like dynamite.
Got some bounce to it. Sounds like a high-speed chase.
Oh, I was gonna say like one of them video games. Oh, those shades are tough. Okay.
Hey, Pia. Oh.
She choosing him though. Oh.
Who picked his outfits?
You like his fit? You like Jermaine's fit?
That's cool. It's different.
No.
Unique. You see how I got out of there now?
Hey.
Oh. Power Ranger.
Oh. Oh, Jermaine can fight. They just let him out of there like that?
Yep, he got out of there.
He was surrounded. Ain't no way he got out like that. Is it like white versus black right now?
I don't know.
Like they trying to be together like an interracial?
Oh. You may be onto something. Oh.
Grabbing his tits. He almost fell out the window. He was so tight. He about to
Oh. Yep. About time.
Yeah, he got to show he can fight. He didn't even kick nobody.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those. That man trying to fight swung on the tree.
First of all, no, they both pump faking. First of all, Buddy came, swung around the tree, missed Jermaine. Jermaine did a scissor kick and kicked the air.
Bro.
No, go back. Look
at this.
And then look at Jermaine. Them boys giving the air hell, boy.
This is the worst fight scene. Chill. Almost done, man.
Yeah, look, they backed up now. So like he was some kind of threat. How he take her back? He didn't even fight. You know what? Nah, Jermaine's a punk.
Okay.
Look, you want to cry now. He didn't even do nothing. You couldn't even. No, I'm not. No. Jermaine is trash for that.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications also you get notified every time I drop a video. How many likes?
I don't like that. I don't like.
We don't like the video. I'm joking.
150 likes.
200 likes. Fine, 150 likes. We'll do. Jermaine also put in the comments. Oh, Jermaine, you guys want us to react to.